transmit from the KSTP Eyewitness News Television Tower in St. Paul. The current time is 6:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6 p.m. in the Twin Cities, light snow was falling. The visibility was 2.5 miles. It was 32 degrees, or 0 degrees Celsius. The dew point was 27. The relative humidity was 81%. The wind was north at 16 miles an hour, gusting to 23. The wind chill was 21. The pressure was 29.74 inches and rising. Around the metro, snow was falling with a temperature of 33 at Crystal, 33 at Eden Prairie, and 30 at Lakeville. At Lane, drizzle was falling with a temperature of 34. It was cloudy with a temperature of 35 at St.
National Weather Service in Chanhassen with a test tornado warning for Wisconsin and Minnesota as part of the Severe Weather Awareness Week. This is a test. Repeating, this is a test. The National Weather Service, in cooperation with the Minnesota Division of Emergency Management and Homeland Security, and with Wisconsin's Emergency Management, is issuing a test tornado warning for all of Minnesota and Wisconsin. It will be in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. This is a test. Take the time now to determine where you would go to a safe place, both at home and if you are away from home. Once again, this has been a test as part of the Severe Weather Awareness Week.
Now the forecast.